It's quiz time. Time to see what you've learned. Question number 1. Which of the following contributes to first impressions? Is it A, your personal hygiene, B, how you're dressed, C, the tone of your voice, D, your choice of words, E, your gestures, or F, all of the above?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is F, all of the above. Personal hygiene, how you're dressed, the tone of your voice, your choice of words, and your gestures all contribute to a first impression. Question number 2. Both men and women should use noticeable and distinct fragrances to stand out in order to make a good first impression. Is it A, true, or B, false?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is B, false. Men and women should not use noticeable and distinct fragrances in order to make a good first impression. Question number 3. Regarding your choice of words, I've advised you to follow the KISS method. What does KISS stand for? Is it A, keep it sounding sophisticated, B, keep it simple, stupid, C, keep it socially sound, or D, keep interrupting soft speakers?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is B, keep it simple, stupid. Question number 4. Which of the following statements about gestures and body movements is true? Is it A, for the most part, you can control them, just like you can control your choice of words? B, you should try to mold them to fit your prospect's style as best you can? C, gestures and body movements can add passion and credibility to what you're saying and impact your prospect's first impression of you? Or D, all of the above statements are true?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is D, all of the above statements are true. For the most part, you can control gestures and body movements. You should try to mold them to fit your prospect's style as best you can. And gestures and body movements add passion and credibility to what you're saying and impact your prospect's first impression of you. Question number 5. Which of the following statements is false? Is it A, closed-ended questions are questions that can be answered with a specific response like yes, no, or maybe? B, closed-ended questions are the big payoff questions. C, open-ended questions are designed for prospects to elaborate upon and to give details. D, responses to open-ended questions are usually where you'll find whether or not the prospect has a need for your product and service and if a sale will take place. Or E, to successfully identify prospect hot buttons, use a combination of open-ended and closed-ended questions.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is B. Closed-ended questions are the big payoff questions is false. So to recap, remember what contributes to a first impression. It's your personal hygiene. It's how you're dressed. It's the tone of your voice, your choice of words, and your gestures. Remember that in your wardrobe, you need to match your physical image to the person or company you're meeting with. To recap about the tone of your voice. To build confidence in your voice, practice your lines. Record yourself. Learn to modulate your pace and pitch. And remember that it's difficult to sound unenthusiastic, unmotivated, or boring when you have a smile on your face. Closed-ended and open-ended questions. Closed-ended questions are questions that can be answered with a specific response like yes, no, or maybe. Open-ended questions are what we call the big payoff questions. They're designed for prospects to elaborate and to give details. They're where you'll find whether the prospect has a need for your product and if a sale will take place. To successfully identify hot buttons, use a combination of open-ended and closed-ended questions. Congratulations! You've completed Chapter 6. In Chapter 7, Making Your Presentation, you'll learn the secrets to giving successful presentations.